Well, good morning. It's time to clean up. It doesn't have to be brand spanking clean, but the worst of it has to go. Shut up before shut the fuck up! I hate those cows. Well, Monday they will be coming back and we're supposed to get good weather. Hopefully the prognosis is correct. Well, I better stop working. Well, I finally managed to load everything up. These are all the rotten reeds from day 4, and now I got to take them away to some place that is a little bit drier, because the lands over here are getting too wet. A two-wheel drive personal car. Those cows, they make me crazy. Well, I moved to a higher ground, or drier ground, and I'm sure I won't get stuck over here. There's an abandoned house in that wood. If the weather was nicer, I would take the camera in there. Haven't been there in years. And there is an old well. You don't see many of those anymore. The grounds surrounding the well are slowly sinking. It's kind of weird. I think the well must be filling up with mud. Anyway, it's time to empty this this trailer. Next I need to clean up these reeds that haven't been used, and then I get to burn them.